Hey everybody, this is Mr. Mathis. Just want to do a quick video about kind of all the expectations and things you'll have to do each week. So walk through a little bit how you can use Teams. Most of you should already know how to do this because we've been using it all year. But I just try and want to make it as simplified as possible for you and give you everything you exactly need to know, where everything's located, and how you can get a hold of me. So first thing, you'll notice already that I've added 3 assignments for you. There's probably going to be close. There's probably going to be about 3 every week for a while here, at least the first 2 weeks. Week 3 is going to be a little different. I'm not sure yet exactly what's going on. But the first 2 weeks, you're going to have these 3 assignments. So you have the assignment. So the high school students fit. That's just the title of what we're doing. We have the assignment, the notes, and the quizzes. So the notes are you submitting your notes that you took from the videos that I have uploaded. One of the reasons I'm doing this is to make sure that you actually watch them and that you have a resource that you can use to do the assignment and the quizzes. So when you finish watching the videos, I can't see your end, but go ahead and upload a picture is fine. You can just take, if you're 2 pages, take a picture, upload those 2 pictures into the assignment. If you want to do it as a PDF for some reason, you can do that. I'm not going to be very picky with the types of files, at least for this first week. I already had one person turn it in. They put 2 pictures up. It was great. I could see it. I saw both of the notes, the pages they did, and I can easily grade that and give them credit for that. I'm not going to post grades for a week until the following week. I want to have everything to be done so I can go through and then do it all at once. And I have to go piece by piece by piece. It'll be much easier for me. So the notes is a turn-in grade. You turn it in, you get 5 points in the focus. That's simple. Now the assignment. This is a book assignment, or you could think of it as a book assignment. I posted 4 problems for you to try. All the steps are required for this assignment. So I need to see HOHA, the work to get your chi-square, the probability sentence with your inequality, and your conclusion for each problem. So this is where I'm seeing and making sure you're getting to practice actually doing the work. I have that file, but I also, if you go to it, I'll go student view. You have the file right here for you. So you can either open up through here, or you can go to files and open there. You do not need to print this. Okay, you don't have to print this file. Just write on a notebook piece of paper, each question, put 1, 2, 3, 4, just solve them out like we've always done. So this is the assignment. So you can look at it here or through the files, which I'm going to open shortly. And your last one that you have is your quizzes. So on the quizzes one, you'll notice upload the code that you have to use for your class. Make sure that you're using only the code for your class. If you're not in second period, do not use this code. Just like always, please put your last name first, okay? Because I'm putting this in the grade book, I need the last name first. So when I type it in, it makes my life so much easier. Do not put your first name, put your last name first. That way I can sort and easily get them all set up. So last name, comma first, or just your first name, as long as your last name is first. That's what matters there. Now the quiz is going to be a little bit different than what we've done in the past. For the quizzes, I'm going to take that for whatever grade you get. However, I'm allowing you to attempt that as many times as you want. With that said, it'd be stupid if I said which ones you got wrong, because then you could just go back and redo it. So with the quizzes, when you finish, it will just give you a score. It will not tell you the answers. It will not even tell you what questions you got wrong. It's just going to give you a score. So if you're not happy with your score, you're going to have to go back and try and figure out where you made the mistake. Like I said, you can do this as many times as you want. The grade I'm putting in is the one you did last. So if you got an 85% and you did it again and you got a 75, the quizzes shows me the 75%. So you want to make sure that whatever you do, that you're happy with your score, and then stop. With the quizzes and everything, we'll get to how to get help later. But that's how the quiz is going to work. Attempt as many times as you want. It's unlimited. Just realize that it's not going to tell you what the answer is. It's not even going to tell you what question you got wrong. It's just going to give you the score. So if you miss question 5, you're going to have no idea that you missed question 5. You have to go back and think about what you did. And whatever score you get, that's the percentage I'm going to type in to the grade. So this is the only one that you're actually getting graded for correctness. But to try and counteract that, you have as many attempts as you want. But remember, I'm only going to probably look at the last attempt. Otherwise, I'm going to have to sort through way too much. So the last attempt is the one I want. Now, if you want to access this stuff, you can go to Files. I have folders. Now, these folders are going to keep getting things added to them. So, for example, if I go to Quizzes Codes, if you didn't want to look at the actual assignment itself, you could click on this. It'll give you a picture of it here, too. If you don't want to go to assignments and click on the attachment. You'll also notice that it's numbered, number 1. So I'm going to have each one listed. So next week you'll see 2, and then I'll have a different title. Same thing with the assignments. They'll all be numbered. So number 1 is the first assignment that we have. You can open it here. With the videos, they'll all be in here the whole time. But you'll notice they are also numbered. So this is the first video. The number 2 is the second video, and then you'll have extra here. If for some reason they're out of order, you can just sort, clicking on name, just sort A to Z, and it will put them in the correct order if you want it that way. So these are the videos that you have to take notes of. So I went through 2 examples. I cut them up so they're long. So the first video, I'll need to see your notes for that example. The second video, I'll need to see your explanation. Let's say you're struggling even after the videos, that you still don't know what to do. There are lots of ways you can get a hold of me. My official office hours, I'm going to set from 9 to noon, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. I know some of you are probably sleeping until 10 or 11, so at least that gives you some time to then get a hold of me. It's not like I'm doing it from 6 to 9 or something ridiculous. So 9 to 12. Now, that doesn't mean that I won't contact you or get a hold of you outside of those hours. You guys know, for those of you who use Teams and try and get a hold of me, I will get a hold of you when I can. What that does mean is that if you're texting me at 11 o'clock on Sunday when all of your assignments are due, I'm probably not going to answer because I will be sleeping, and you shouldn't procrastinate it so much anyways. So a few ways you can get a hold of me. You can, in Teams, you guys should know, just at Timothy Mathis. Fascinating. Maybe I can't at myself. That's probably the issue. So just at Timothy, if you just do Timo, it should pop up. That'll notify me right away. If you're trying to get directly a hold of me, please at me. Don't just put a message. Sometimes it's just a little finicky. It doesn't pop up. So you can at me. You can send me a remind message. That'll also work. I did put the remind code. It is right here. This is the one that is the official school one. So if for some reason you're not part of that remind yet, it didn't auto populate, go ahead and add there with that code. Chat does not work. They disabled chat between teachers and students. So you cannot chat. Don't use that button. It's not going to work. You can call during my office hours, 9 to 12. You can try and call me outside of that. So if you click on call on your phone, it'll have like call. And if you do the make a call button, I think it's a plus. There's a little phone plus in the top right corner. Just type in my name. I'll put my wife's name. You can just type in my name. And then this is just an audio call. This would be a video call. For some reason that you need to see my face, or maybe I need to show you some work. You can do a video or audio. Either way will work. So that's how you can get a call me in Teams. I believe you can also call me through Remind. It doesn't matter. I don't have that open right now. But you can call me. You don't have to just leave text. You can call me if you'd rather talk to me that way. You can post questions on the team itself. So you can just make a general question. The only thing I'm asking is don't post solutions. Don't post just, hey, this is my work. Because then everyone's just going to see that, and that's not helpful. So I will answer most of the questions, but if you want to jump in and say, hey, this is what I got, feel free to do that. I think that just about covers everything you need to know. I'm just going to quick recap 3 assignments. Watch the video, take notes, upload your notes, do the actual assignment, upload a picture or a PDF of your work, and then the quizzes, you don't need to upload anything. I'll just go into quizzes and I can see what your scores are. Hopefully that clarifies all questions or things you may have. I will post the chi-square calculator link very shortly in case you want to get started. All assignments are due the Sunday after that week. So we're starting March 30th. They'll be due that Sunday at 11:59, which I think is the 5th. It doesn't mean you have to wait till Sunday night to do it. You can submit it anytime you want. Just realize I'm not going to grade it until that next week. I'm going to try to get the other assignments going by mid next week for those that want to stay ahead, not getting overwhelmed. So look for maybe Wednesday or Thursday-ish of next week. I'll try and get the next assignments up, all the videos posted for you. Not to overwhelm you, but there are people that they may have to do a lot at night, or maybe they're gone a couple days, so they can keep on top of that. I do miss you guys. Hopefully we'll get to go back and we'll get to see each other one more time. But if not, I will try and get a hold of each of you. I'm supposed to get a hold of you once a week. So we'll see what goes. But hopefully this is helpful for you, and I look forward to working with you through this platform. All right, have a great day.